Today we're gonna make these delicious oatmeal raisin chocolate chip cookies, perfect for the holiday season. To get started on making our oatmeal raisin chocolate chip cookies, we're gonna start with 2 sticks of butter that I have already softened here. So we're gonna add that to our mixing bowl. So we have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And with our hand mixer, we're gonna mix this till it's nice and fluffy. Next, we're gonna add our egg and our vanilla. So we're gonna crack our egg on the side. I always say that. Make sure you don't have any shells in there. Add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Continue mixing. Next, we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So we have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna add to that 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're gonna add it right to our flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'll toss this together. And now we'll slowly add in our dry ingredients to our mixture. Now that we have all of that combined, we're going to fold in the rest of our ingredients, which are our oats. So we have 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. I'm gonna just fold that in. We have 1 cup of raisins. Mix that in. And last but not least, our chocolate chips. So I'm gonna do 1 bag of chocolate chips. And really to get all of this really nice and combined so that we can put them on a baking sheet to cook, I'm gonna actually use my hands for this because I gotta get the butter to be all over this entire mixture, and it's kind of hard to do it by folding it in, so my hand works perfectly. So I preheated the oven to 350 and I'm gonna just spray our pans. So I'm gonna take our mixture, about a tablespoon I would say, roll it, and I'm gonna put them down on the baking sheet. I can't wait to dig into these oatmeal raisin chocolate chip cookies. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.